Running a VPN app on your Raspberry Pi may seem quite daunting, but don't worry. Setting up NordVPN on your device is quite easy if you follow this tutorial. There are a few ways you can go about installing a VPN on your Raspberry Pi. You can connect to NordVPN using a manual connection. Check out the tutorial by clicking on the link in the top right corner of the video. Another way is by using the Linux app. Here's how to set up a VPN on Raspberry Pi on Debian, Ubuntu, Elementary OS, and Linux Mint. To set up a Raspberry Pi VPN, you first need to download the app. To do that, open Terminal, type in this command, and follow any on-screen instructions. If the command doesn't work, it might be because you don't have a curl package. You can try this command instead. Then log into your NordVPN account by typing in NordVPN login. And type in your NordVPN account details. To connect to a VPN server, type in NordVPN connect. That's it, you're good to go. Now if you want to disconnect from the VPN, type in NordVPN disconnect or NordVPN-D. For more tutorials, subscribe to NordVPN YouTube channel.